Well, 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 well. Looky, looky, looky. What do y'all see here? Yeah, baby. In fact, I heard them started up this morning, or started up earlier today. It's running, guys. Look, it looked like a car again. Yes, finally looks like a car. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. Uh, yes. In fact, it's still hot. He haven't been too long, shut it down. So, putting the final touches. I'm sure he wanted to hear it run before he go home. I don't know about y'all, but when I'm faced with something like this, I'm gonna have a hard time sleeping if I don't at least see if something wrong. You imagine going through all this and the damn thing won't. Now, when you put an engine in, another engine, new engine, of course, there was this thing called Prime. So I sensed a little panic over here early on it. It went a long time. Remember, fuel has to make its way up here. Oil has to make its way up to the valve train. And everything needs to get in sync before it finally starts. Okay? Yeah, so it's not one of those. This first time this engine cranked ever, probably. I don't know how they go by with testing, but I even got the suspension up. Oh, went in with new rotors. Okay. But yes, I am proud of my dude, my buddy. This car can now it now looks like a car again. It can now be uh, delivered back to the customer. All right, based on that sticker right there, I don't even think it belongs to a customer. It might be one of those. I don't know. I'm speculating. However, it's running. Yeah, put all the fender wears on. Of course, the tires. Got the grill back on. It looks like a car again, guys. Oh my goodness, my man did it. All right, yeah, look at that nice new shiny engine. I want to know personally what was wrong. Oh, he already boxed it up and they sent it away. Oh, so he got the muffler on. Unless you got a new one, because I didn't hear a loud muffler sound. Anyway, yeah, this is I don't even think a customer owned this yet, but these are some nice cars, guys. Don't get it twisted. The Compass, this year model, is just from a mechanical standpoint. Yeah, look at the infotainment system up there. A lot of roomy and everything. It's just from a mechanical standpoint. Yeah, that's what turns people off. Now, the half of the majority of buyers not mechanics, so they don't really understand what's going on under here. A lot of guys that buy cars now are DIYers, all right, and they want to do their own spark plug. Look, where's the spark plugs? I see one coil right there, another one right there, so I'm assuming all of this got to come off, which is not unusual, uncommon, guys. Nowadays, getting straight to spark plugs, those days are over. Yeah, look at this damn turbo. Turbo. Why? Why? You get nice, good jump start. It's not like you going to have massive speed. You become quicker, okay? Forcing more air and more, into your engine will produce quicker response. So will a huge intake. I mean, this thing yeah. So I don't know what was the goal when this engine was being designed. I have no idea the need for a turbo on such a small. It's like the turbos on the older model PT Cruiser. They wasn't really fast. The turbo made them quicker. Yeah, off the line, pew, get up and go. But it comes with some caveats, okay? Yeah, if you see some blue smoke coming out of your tailpipe, ooh, those seals are gone. And now you got to decide, do you keep the car or fix the car? Guys, this thing is running. I don't want to dwell on this. Kudos to my man. He fired it up, let it idle, did his thing with the computer. It's plug and play. Engines are plug and play. You just got to reprogram, resync everything. Remember, the computer do not know the position of the cam and crank when you first put an engine in, so you got to learn cam and crank. It's going to give it a default settings so the car will start. Now, if you don't have a scan tool to do that, you can simply drive it. It just takes longer for the computer to learn the position of the cam and crank. It's got to learn this, that, reset the ETC, throttle body. Got to do a lot of stuff using the scan tool. But I heard it running over here, so tomorrow morning I'm guessing he's going to slap all this on and get this sucker out of here. I know he's sick of this car. Yeah, I can get on to some gravy. Hopefully they'll give them some gravy next time, guys. I have pity for. Yeah, I ain't cut out. But it's a pretty car. Guys, I gotta go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.